Here's how to disable dividend reinvestment on Robinhood. So you can check whether this is enabled or disabled. If you're unsure, in your account drop down, then go to investing. Inside of here, you should see dividend reinvestment. And if it's enabled, this is how to disable it. You'll have to go to your settings. If I click on this settings button right here, it's going to take us to our investing settings. So if you click on the account drop down and go to settings, it'll take you to this page. You'll be on personal information, but you'll click on investing. That gets you to here, and you can see dividend reinvestments right here. We can click on that to basically turn it off. So we click on this on off button, and now it's off, and you will no longer automatically reinvest dividends into each investment. So we can close that, and now you have that turned off. There's no real save button. Just clicking that button will turn it off. That's how you can disable or turn off dividend reinvestment on Robinhood.